Welcome back to my channel. I'm Anshul from Quant. I hope you have liked the previous video on factors. If you haven't watched it, press on the I icon on the top to find it. So all comparative exams like CAT need you to do fast calculations in your head. You just can't use your on-screen calculator. It just takes too much time. So in this series of fast calculations, first up is squares. So we'll take a variety of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers and find the squares of them within 5 to 10 seconds. So let's start with the easiest one, 96. Right? So let's say we have 96 here. Find the closest number to it which is easiest to multiply with. So for instance, in this case it will be 100. 100 is closest to 96 and it is easiest to multiply with any other number, right? So let's see, the difference between 96 and 100 is 4. So 100 is 4 above 96. Now we'll find a number which is 4 below 96, which is 92. Now multiply both the numbers in both these yellow boxes, the top and the below one. So we get 9200, right? Easy to multiply. Then we haven't used this blue box till now, the number 4. So we'll find the square of 4, which is 16. Add up 9200 and 16. It comes out to be 9216, right? Simple. Let's take another example, 89. Okay, 89, the closest number, you can take it to be 90 or 100. I prefer 100 because again it is very easy to multiply with. So we'll take 100 here. The difference is 11. So we'll go 11 below 89. We get 78. Multiply the yellow boxes. We get 7800. Square the blue box, you get 121. Add both these, you get 7921. So don't do a conventional addition here by writing those down, but do the addition in your head. So consider it like the yellow box contains 78 hundreds and in the blue box you have 121. So you have total 79 hundreds because you have 78 hundreds on the top and then 100 on the bottom and then 21. So you get 79 hundreds and 21. Let's consider 37 square now. Till now we have considered numbers close to 100. So close to 37, the number easiest to multiply with, I consider it as 50. You can also take 40 if you like. Let's take 50 here. The difference is 13. Go 13 below 37, you find 24. Multiply 24 and 50, you get 1200. I think you know how to easily multiply a number by 50. Just half it and then multiply by 100. So multiplying by 50 is like divide by 2 and then multiply by 100. So 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 multiplied by 100 is 1200, right? So calculate the square of 13, 169. Add both these, 1200s plus 169. So it becomes 1300 and then 69, right? After this, let's take 122, right? So 122, closest number to multiply with, 100. It doesn't need to be above 122. It just needs to be closest to 122. So the closest number that we have found is 100, right? So the difference is 22. Go 22 above 122 in this case because the easiest number that we have is below 122. So this time we'll go above 122 to find the number. So we have 144 in this case, right? So multiply the numbers in yellow boxes, in which case you get 14400. Simple, 144 hundreds. Now you calculate the square of the blue box 22, you get to be 484. Remember that you need to know squares of up to around 25 to be easily playing with this trick. So 144 hundreds plus 484. So the hundreds that you get is 148 and then 84. So 148 hundreds plus 84. Now we'll do 483 square. So 483 square, the closest number to multiply with, which is easy, is 500. Difference is 17. Go 17 below 483, you get 466. Okay. Now multiply 466 and 500. Again the same thing. For multiplying by 500, divide by 2 and then multiply by 1000. So 466 divided by 2 is 233. Multiply by 1000, it becomes 233 thousandths. Square of 17, 289. So 233 thousandths plus 289. It just becomes 233,289. Right? Easy to go with it. Once you practice it, it will become very natural with it. You can calculate it within 5 seconds. Even the squares like 483. Okay. Now let's look at 137. So this is slightly tricky. This will involve multiple calculations. So for 137, the easiest number to close to multiply with, you can take it as 150, but again multiplying by 150 is not easy as 100. So I always like to take it as 100. So this is 37 below 137. So go 37 above 137, you get 174. Multiply 174 and 100, 17400. But now the catch is to have the square of 37 as well, which you don't remember, right? So again, we'll calculate the square of 37 very similarly to how we did it. So we'll do it in our heads this time. Do it with me. 37 square, closest number to multiply, 50. difference 13, go 13 below 37, you get 24. 24 multiplied by 50 is 1200. 1200 plus the square of 13, which becomes 1200 plus 169 becomes 1369. Okay. If you weren't able to follow me, rewind this and please try to follow me, because ultimately you will have to do it in your head. You won't have all these boxes in front of you. Okay. So again, now you have 17,400, which becomes 17,000, and on the bottom you have 1,000. So in total it becomes 18,769. Right. So we have discovered how we are going to do it, right? Now we know that what is the shortcut, what is the funda to do it. But also let's look at the secret, why is it working? Because that is what I believe in, right? That's what we all want to believe in. We just don't want to follow shortcuts blindly. We always want to see what is the reason that this is working this way. Okay. So let's say this time we're calculating the square of any general number a. A can be anything, 20, 30, 40, 26, 36, anything. Okay. So again, we'll follow the same pattern here. We don't know obviously the easiest number to go with, so we'll say that the number closest is a plus b. That means we are going b above a. The difference is b. The key is the difference here, b. Okay. Again, we'll go b below a, in which case we get a minus b. Right. I hope you're following me here. The difference is supposed to be anything, right? It is not that you have to go to 90 or 100 or 200 or 500. You can go to any number. So in this case, we're taking the difference is b. So the bottom number will become a plus b, the top number will become a minus b. Now multiplying the yellow boxes, what does it become? A minus b into a plus b, or we can call it a square minus b square, classic identity, right? Now add the square of blue box, which is b square. You add this, you get a square, right? So all of this is working both of a single identity, a minus b into a plus b is a square. I hope you've understood this one. And note that this won't, you won't be able to solve big squares like 483 as we did in this video in 5 seconds in the first attempt. You will have to practice this for 10 minutes every day for at least 10 days, and then you will see yourself getting natural with it. I hope you have liked this video. This helps you in fast calculations in your exams. Please drop all the comments and feedback in the comment section below. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe to the channel for all upcoming videos. Make sure to join my social media groups to be a part of the regular quizzes. The links are in the description below. All the best, keep learning.